Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 1st, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So gold did end up turning down right shortly after breaking this structure right here. To me, this definitely looks like it stretched out into a wave 1, wave 2, and a wave 3, meaning that this push down right here is likely a wave 4. Most wave 4s only go to the 23 or the 38%, so definitely keep an eye on it. It could very, very likely turn it up at either one of these levels for a wave 5. So I definitely think it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave A, what should be a wave A of wave B, what should be a wave B of an ABC of Y on the much, much higher time frames. Now, I definitely think it's a wave 4, but if it goes much past the 23 to 38%, it could turn into a much bigger move to the downside. So definitely, definitely keep an eye on it. But I would expect to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.